So I have it set for about 385 for 60 seconds. That's all I guess I was gonna say.
Now I'ma tell the world, tell 'em, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell 'em, yeah, I'm a billboard. Tell the world, tell 'em, broadcast.
Hey guys, it's Oksana with Craft and More Design. Thank you so much for tuning back in. Today I'm going to do Christmas edition sweatshirts, and I'm actually going to do this Farm Fresh Christmas trees design. I am going to do it with sublimation, so for those of you that have watched the other videos, it's typically what I like to work with, and today I especially want to thank Koala GP. They are an amazing company who actually sent me this paper. It's 11 by 17. It's an A-Sub brand, but if you go to their website, I'll post the link below. They have amazing products, really good rates, really good customer service, so they are definitely someone I will be working with in the future. And when you order their package, you actually get everything nicely wrapped up like this, and then you even have a little cheat sheet that tells you different kinds of time and pressure. Overall, Koala is just an awesome company, and I will post the link below. One thing I love about this 11 by 17 size is I can put a lot of different images all on one sheet. And for those of you that have watched my other videos, know that I love to cut all around, partially to avoid any kind of ink bleeding, but also it just makes it so easy to work with. I am using a Gildan brand sweatshirt, just a nice heathered gray. So I already have my butcher sheet put in the middle of the shirt, and that way it will avoid any kind of bleeding. And I'll go ahead and put it on my heat press. As normal, I have my heat press set anywhere between 385 to 400 degrees. Make sure your temperature is hot and even so that you get a nice clean press. So once you have your sweatshirt on the heat press, go ahead and take your sublimation paper. Make sure it is printed in reverse. And I use an Epson 7710 printer. You should watch my other videos to see how it was converted. But I'm going to go ahead and just push the heat press upon this paper. So first I do my sublimation paper, and then I will put my butcher paper on top. I'm going to go ahead and do this press. And if you notice that the temperature drops maybe down to 380 or it'll go up to 390, it's perfectly fine. It's just the way the heat press adjusts. The only way to avoid this is really just to have it heated up really hot for a little while. But it normally catches itself up and it won't ruin your item. So don't worry about that if you are a beginner. And voila! Look how cute! And this is going to go in my store, so I will make several more sizes, several pillows, all using this sublimation paper. So thank you again, Koala, and again for those of you guys that are doing sublimation, go check them out. I will post the link below. This is my favorite size, but if you want to just start out small, 8.5 by 11 will do the job as well. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for all my other videos using Koala products. So again, thank you so much. I will post the link below, and Merry Christmas.